Hi. Come on. Come on, you can crawl for mommy. There you go. Good job. Can you do some more? Can you come get the beads? See the beads? Come on, bud. That's it. Come on. Come on, my darling. Good job. Good job. Well, when all else fails, bring the toy to you. Right, darling? Mmm. Yummy. Clearly this child is never fed. What you doing, baby?